Okay, once again, we would like to thank our sponsors for this Fight of the Champions boxing tournament. Of course, the City of Baguio, city officials headed by our Mayor, Benji Magalong. Our medical team, of course, the Red Cross headed by Ma'am Jeneline Tere. Of course, the BCU student nurses. Thank you very much. Of course, the NIIT, headed by the President, our Councilor Vladimir Kayabas, our food sponsors. We have Anchor Wheel. We have the Kolibang by Engineer Kalogan, the Philippine Society of Mechanical Engineer Cordillera, Kapen Sigwab, Cronats, General Services Office, and Ray Donnell Media. And of course, ang nagpaboxing organizer, the SK of East Quirino Hill and Leonila Hill. Daghang salamat po.
Pero tao nalagsak mo naman.
Okay, result of bout number 20, winner by RSC in the first round, RSC Body in the first round. We are from the red corner, Renzel Gulukan, University of Baguio. For our main event of this afternoon, boxing tournament, please get ready.
Naka-green ka. Christopher.
Our third man in the ring, our national referee judge, Rudy Rivera.
Panog yun. Hanggang mo pa niya ba?
Introducing from the blue corner, weighing not more than 52 kilograms, we have Bonnie Pakray of the University of Baguio. And from the red corner, weighing not more than 52 kilograms under the elite boys category, we have Christopher Manipon. Of University of Baguio. Ano to, magkaplato?
Muay Thai team.
And of course, aside from UB, he is also a member of the Quirino boxing team.
Go Manips. Bali, dadang ko. Wala kang shorts na white belt na dito.
Wala din ko madeng.
Shorts na.
Adik ko di ay, adik ko di.
Kapal na tayo.
Basta merong
Buni.
Go Jomar!
Gola din.
Start the first round.
And thank you for our sponsors, medical team, Red Cross, head by Ma'am Jeneline Ferne, BCO, student nurses, and IIT, Councilor Vladimir Cayabas, and to our food sponsor, Anchor Wheel, other sponsor, Kulibong by Engineer Claudio Calugan, and Philippine Society of Mechanical Engineer Cordillera. Kapen Segwab, Burnham located at Chowking. Gronuts location by SN. General Service Office, Baguio City Sports Office, and RNJ Media. And thank you po ulit sa ating SK, Quirino Hill at sa West Bayan.
Ayaw manong manipon.
And thank you rin po sa ating officiators, head by Sir Van, Sir Val at kay Sir Reynaldo at sa coach po ng UB, Sir Resty at sa mga coaches po ng BCU at UC. UC ba?
Anong ina?
Thank you. And Kisat Valley also.
Ibon, sino nang basit? Muna ka. Good! Good! Baba! 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 Balbon!
Last one.
Anong ina? Jess!
Sige lang, timing mo, timing mo. Good! Roundhouse!
Go, Manong!
Tindak mo lang, tindak lang, tindak!
Ayaw!
Left upper, left counter, malipod. Left upper. Good!
Ma'am,
Yung nag-straight, left upper. Good! Sundot ka, sundot ka, sundot ka! Ah!
Ma!
Teka, negate. Upper.
Ayaw!
Muna ka, muna ka! Tindak, tindak, tindak. Tindak.
Ma'am!
End of the first round.
Nice one, UB!
Magkita mo kayo medyo gigit. Basta ka na sa dati mag-boxing. Todo kapit ka nung ikaw. Ay, pero jigin. Hindi yan, nakablang. Todo kapit na ka nung. Tingin dito. Bili. Ako tagan mo to.
Ayaw! Okay.
Check. This fight is between Bonnie Pacray and Christopher Manipon.
Isang manipon, isang!
Saya!
Good! Wah! Relax mo lang, relax mo lang.
First, we would like to thank our sponsors, the Red Cross Medical Team headed by Ma'am Jeneline F. Tere, BCU Student Nurses, NIIT headed by Councilor Vladimir Cayabas,
Lipon.
our food sponsor, Anchor Wheel,
Ulo lang, ulo.
and our other sponsors, Kulibang by Engineer
Let's go. Saya!
Claudio Calugan,
Active lang ka.
Philippine Society of Mechanical Engineer Cordillera,
Good! Good! Good!
Tape and Segwap, Cronats located by SM, and
Pa! Good!
Nice.
Sundot, sundot.
Baguio City Sports Office, Raytonet Media, and also our organizer, the SK Chairman of East Quirino Hill and East Bayan Park.
Ay, tinag-tinag lang. Kanta, kanta. Tinag-panaw, tinag-panaw.
Saya, Manong Manipon! Salva niya! Puntos.
Good!
Let's go! Go, CJ! Ay, ano ka dong? Steady mo.
Focus lang, focus. Good!
Sigaw ang ball!
Let's go, CJ!
Tinag mo, tinag mo.
Puntos!
Ah!
Ipay, ano doon?
Good! Gas!
Kadala this is sparring niya mga kon.
Ada dua, Manong!
Tinagampay, tinagampay.
Let's
Good, good.
Nice! Yun
go!
mo!
Ada doon!
Yun mo ito! Yun mo!
Let's go, CJ!
Panaw kata, panaw kata.
Tunggu, Manong. Go, CJ! Let's go, Chaya!
Good.
Ah! Sabay! Ay, puntos, Manong! Puntos! Kastang!
Atag tigaw. Tigaw.
Manong, last!
Todo reto
CJ!
tatli.
Bagim, CJ! Manong, bagim, ah! CJ! Go, CJ! Last!
Third and final round.
Sayo, Manong Manipon! CJ, last round. Bagi. Sayang tayo.
Seconds out.
Kaya sigahan nagpagod dito namin.
This is the third and final round between
Sayo, Manong
Bonnie
Manipon!
Pacray representing UD Boxing Team and Christopher Manipon Wushu
Go, Manong!
UD Wushu Varsity Team headed by Coach Del.
Sayo! Wala doon! Gilam!
Last round, last round.
Sayo! Bigay!
This fight of the champions is brought to you by our sponsors,
Puntos!
our medical team, Red Cross headed by Ma'am Jeneline Tere, BCU Student Nurses, NIIT headed by Councilor Vladimir Cayabas,
Our food sponsor, Anchor Wheel. Also, thank you to Kulibang by Engineer Claudio Calugan, Philippine Society of Mechanical Engineering Cordillera, Tapi and Seguap, Burnham Days. Products located by SM, Baguio City Sports Office and General Services, Rayconet Media, and to everyone here who is watching our Fight of the Champions, thank you for your presence.
Manong Manipon, saya! Last! Jay, let's go Manong! Last! Ada dua. Go Manong Manipon! Last! Sayo! Ada dua! Last! Nga tumimang! May sabay! Bigat kanta! Sayo Manong Manipon! Last! Ada dua! Buhos! Hilang! Hilang! Ada dua! Sayo Manong Manipon! Imam! Bigat kanta!
Last 10 seconds for our third and final round.
Ada dua!
That is our main event of this afternoon.
Nice one, Manip. Siya tawag niya yung nag-video, G. Ay, pagkita niya ta, G. Pagkita niya ta, G. Pagkita niya ta, G. YouTube.
Okay, our winner for this bout, our main event of the afternoon. We have a split decision, 4-1 in favor of the blue corner, Bonnie Pakray of the UB Boxing Team.
Dapat in round kick mo.
And this Fight of the Champions is brought to you by our very own SK Chairmans of East Quirino Hill and SK Chairman of East Bayan Park. Also, the City of Baguio, headed by Mayor Benjamin Magalong.